Alrighty, good morning, kindergartners. Today for science, we will be talking about weather and what types of weather happen in the different seasons. Okay, so let's look at our learning goal. So today, we will be able to name all 4 seasons and understand what type of weather happens in each season. Okay, alrighty, so because our projector is broken today, we can't watch our videos, but I have 2 awesome videos that I'm gonna send home to your parents so that they can show you, and they're gonna talk about all 4 seasons. Does anybody happen to know what the 4 seasons are? Good job, Sam. We have spring. Can somebody help me with another one? Oh, good job. We have summer. Anybody else? What's another one? Good job. We have fall and one more. Winter. Good job. All right. So I have us our vocabulary chart here. So we are going to, since we watch those videos and we know what kinds of weather happens in those seasons, we're going to write down as a class. You guys are going to help me know what types of weather happen in each season. Okay, so who can tell me what happens in the spring? Good job. We get rain. All right, so let's write that on our chart. So we have rain. Who can help me with summer? What kind of weather do we have in the summertime? Awesome job. It's very hot, right? We have hot weather in the summertime. How about fall? Oh yes, it starts to get a little bit cold, right? So well, you can write that it cools off. Good job. And how about one for winter? Oh, good job. So probably not here in Fresno, but we might have snow, maybe up in the mountains, right? Okay, now I want you to turn to the person sitting next to you, and I want you guys to think of one more for each of the 4 seasons, okay? Alrighty, good job. Okay, I'm gonna call in a couple more of you guys. So spring. Oh, you noticed that we have pretty flowers in the springtime? Good, all right. Any types of weather that we might have in the spring? The sun, right? We have sunny days, hopefully, when it's not raining. How about summer? Do we have rain in the summertime usually? Not usually, right? But it is hot, right? Okay, lots of sun. So I'm gonna put an exclamation point by sun for the summer because we have a lot of sun. How about fall? Oh, the leaves on the trees are falling, right? Okay. So maybe, how about the wind? Do we get wind in the fall? Good. Maybe the wind blows the leaves off the trees. All right, and winter. Good job. Good job, group 3. We have cold, right? So it doesn't get super cold here, but it is kind of cold to where we need a jacket. Alrighty, good jobs, groups. So before we go back to our table and start working on our assignment, I'm gonna ask you guys our challenge question for the day. So our challenge question today is going to be, can there be exceptions to the types of weather in a season? Is that kind of confusing for us? Okay, I want you guys to think about that for a second, and then I'm going to tell you another way to think about the question. Okay, so another way to ask that question might be, can there be rain in the wintertime? Or, silly me, I made a mistake. Can there be rain in the summertime? All right, I want you guys to take 10 seconds and think about that. Okay. Now I want you to go ahead and share with your partner. What do you guys think? And then I'm gonna call in a few of you guys so that you guys can share with me. Okay? All right, group 3, what do you guys think? Yes, there can be rain in the summertime, right? It's not gonna happen a whole lot, but it can happen sometimes, right? Good, how about group 1, what do you think? You think yes, you agree? Good job, guys. Yep, we can have all kinds of crazy different weather. So it doesn't have to follow the weather pattern of the season, but it's pretty normal for it to be hot and sunny in the summertime and maybe cold in the winter time, all right? So now when when I say go, we're gonna go back to our desks and we are going to make a flip vocabulary chart. So we're gonna use the vocabulary chart we created as a class, okay? I'll put this up on the board so that everybody can see it, okay? So we're gonna make a vocabulary chart. We're gonna have the name of the season. We're gonna open up our chart. We're gonna have a picture of the season. So what might you see in the spring? What kind of weather are you gonna see in the spring? And then I want you to write 2 things about that season that you like, okay? All right, so remember, when I say go, we're gonna go back to our desks and make our vocabulary flip chart. All right, ready, set, go. All righty, thank you.